coaches.
Good morning, everyone. Hope you all have a wonderful day today. Yeah, this has got my name written all over it, this train. Oh no, it's not. It's the Luton train. It's not my train. I don't want to get on the wrong train. That would be a disaster. Good morning, Vanessa. We are at London Bridge, everyone. London Bridge we are at, waiting for our train. There's another train coming in here. There's the Shard. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all going to have a wonderful Tuesday. This is my Tuesday commute this morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Nice sunrise this morning. I reckon that's my train coming in. Got my coffee. We're all doing good. Hope everyone's going to have a great day today. We're at London Bridge train station. If you like seeing London, give us a follow. Good morning, Luke. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, a bit of Costa. We're off to Cambridge area. We are live from London Bridge. Yes, we are indeed. A day in the life of TikTok Steve. Now this is my train, I'm sure. Let's check. Yes. This is my train, everyone. How exciting. So I'm probably going to have to leave in a sec. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed my sneaky little Tuesday morning live from London Bridge. Make sure you're following me. Oh, Mexico, lovely.